So it's currently 5 a.m. I have this huge pile of clothes right here. My bag is right here. And I have to be on the plane in less than 24 hours. And I have class and a presentation and a meeting tomorrow. So this is a lot. I've never left packing so last minute before in my life. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Hello. So I just came back from uni. My flight is at 8 a.m. tomorrow, which means I have to be in the airport by like 5-ish. 4, 5, 5. Let's be real, I'm not gonna be that early. So I haven't finished packing. I didn't pack my toiletries. I didn't pack jewelry, makeup, none of that. The only thing I did was kind of decide on like the things that I was gonna take, and that wasn't so hard because I just kind of packed everything I bought. I still have to figure out what I'm gonna wear to the airport. I want to wear a tracksuit, but I want to wear one that has a hoodie because I'm gonna be on a plane for 16 hours and like I need to be as comfortable as possible. I was gonna do a style with me, but I didn't really have time to kind of do that. And I also feel like I have to get there, and it kind of depends on my mood a lot. So I brought a couple of options as usual. So yeah, I kind of have to figure all of that out. I'm super stressed. I need to go eat. I haven't had food at all today because I had a class and then a meeting and then a presentation, and I tried to come home as like soon as I could. But yeah, also I want to like empty my phone from a lot of things and like transfer them places, like transfer a lot of the pictures to like a drive or something because I need storage because I'm gonna be filming a lot and taking a lot of pictures. So yeah, I need to do that. Yeah, there's a lot to do. So I'm just gonna go and kind of start doing it and see what happens. It is currently 7 o'clock. I'm in my living room right now. And I need to go to the airport because apparently you cannot do online check-in for the US, which makes no sense. Like, I don't understand why not. But I'm gonna have to go there in person. Oh my god, my hand's so shaky. Hold on. That's it. But when I come back, I'll actually have to finish completely packing because this is really bad. I've never left like packing this last minute, and I know to you probably looked at my suitcase and you're like, it's full, like you have your clothes in there, but there's so much more to it. There's so much more to it. That's just the pain of being a girl, I guess. And it's like cold, so there's so many layers. It's like a whole thing. I'm excited, honestly, to experience the cold. I've been saying I want winter, and I'm finally gonna get it. Maybe a little bit too much winter. I'll see when I get back. So I'm gonna ruin this gorgeous average B-roll that I have for you here by telling you what happened between the time period of me filming the last clip and leaving for the airport. So my suitcase turned out to be broken, and I didn't realize this until I was like ready to go, like at 5 o'clock. I was ready to go to the airport, realized my suitcase was broken, had to move everything in the suitcase to another suitcase in 15 minutes. And then I got to the airport and they told me, you know what, your passport actually expires within 6 months, which is not allowed. And I was like, actually, there's one more week between it expiring and the 6 months. And she was like, no, like you need to have it like more than 6 months. So she was like, you know what, you can't go. Sorry about that. You can't go, so stay home. And I was like, no, that's not an option. And then we got me an exception and I got to go. And I had fun on the flight and I ate a lot of food and watched Gossip Girl and 4 movies and slept a lot. Anyways, we tried to replicate all the YouTubers we see doing hotel room tours, so here is ours. Please don't take anything we say seriously. Hi guys! We're here after literally 26 hours of traveling. We literally got more tired in the car than the whole 15-hour plane ride. Like, it was so intense.
1 whole hour in the car.
This is Waad.
With a rude driver, by the way.
What?
He was...
No, it wasn't rude. What do you mean?
He was rude. Because you sat in the car. You didn't even like interact with him.
Yeah, I'm a princess. I don't interact with the driver. I'm I'm gonna try to do the YouTube like room tour.
Oh yeah.
Hi guys, so I just got to the hotel. We already destroyed it, Aslan. We already destroyed the room.
Not my bed.
Hold on. Guys, so I just got to the hotel, so I wanted to film it before like I messed it up. Usually they have the lights off and then how do you turn it off? Okay guys, so this is the bathroom. The lighting is so nice. I'm definitely gonna be taking so many, oh my god, I can't. Outfit of the day pics here. And here's the shower. It's so beautiful. Here's the Waad. She's also so beautiful. And then here are the beds. Here we have a picture of, I don't know what this is. Here we have a desk for Waad to do her homework. Her software engineering homework. This is my stuff. Pretend it's not there. This is the water that probably costs $10.
Wait, what's the logic? What's their new fridge?
Oh. Safe. Okay, is this the closet? Oh shit. OOTD pics. No. بوقف لازم تمسكي لي
Wait, what if I sit here?
Perfect.
It's not even like secured. Mom, 2 robes.
And yeah, and then we have a little side table. They gave us macaroons. Yeah, it's an iron steamer.
Is it a steamer?
It's a steamer. It's a steamer. The view.
Wow,
we can spy on people. Wow, you can touch the window to see how cold it is. You can actually view for. What? Because I can't. There's a thing here. Okay, wait. We're not high enough. We're not rich enough to be high enough.
This is the 20th floor, baby.
Exactly. We could be higher.
Khalas, I want to sleep.
This is the best view.
She wasn't kidding. She actually did go to sleep after that clip. Please make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so I know you want to see more of these vlogs. I am going to be posting more regardless of if you give me a thumbs up or not, but I just needed the validation. See you tomorrow.